Pump it up! The digital tyre diagnosis for your BMW keeps you up to date about your tyre condition. If your car has BMW original equipment tyres, their details, like model and dimensions, are saved in your vehicle data. Once you've added your car to your BMW ID and your My BMW app, in the vehicle status, select Check Status and Check Control Messages. This shows you the current inflation pressure of each tyre and additionally the recommended tyre pressure based on your vehicle and tyre type. Select Tyres at the bottom for more details. Full control. Under Check Control Messages and under Services, you see a notification if tyre pressure is low or if service is required, like in the case of gradual inflation pressure loss due to tyre damage, or if tyres approach the suggested wear replacement limit. The system predicts the remaining distance until the tyres reach the minimum tread depth recommended by BMW. Always at your service. Make sure tyre data is also part of your BMW teleservices information by going to System Settings, Data Privacy, and activating all services including analysis. This way your preferred BMW service partner, connected to your BMW ID, is automatically informed about service requirements for your tyres, so you can easily schedule a service appointment online directly in your My BMW app. Continue watching our how-to series to get the most out of your BMW.